Hello, Keller Williams. My name is Jason Smith. I'm a real estate agent, broker associate down here in Miami, Florida with Keller Williams Capital Realty. I love teaching for FES and SES and Keller Williams University. I've been a real estate agent since 2001, so 22 years now. Some bullet points that I wrote down. Our team will do $20 million, $22 million in sales this year, 2023. Deals closed, $600,000 in gross commission income this year. I'm proud to say I'm a 17-time Bold graduate. Sold about 200 for sale by owners and expired so far in my career. And I teach the following classes. If your market center would ever need any of these classes, I'm the person to help you. Win with sellers. Primarily sellers is what I focus on over the last 20 years. Lead generate like a millionaire. It's been my life for the last 22 years, lead generation every morning, and millionaire real estate investor. So I've been a real estate investor for the last 20 years as well. So these are the classes. If you want additional skills in these three departments, I could definitely help you. And I look forward to meeting you and training at your market center in person or via Zoom. Have a great day. Take care.